Hey, we want to get to Miss Daniels from the Augusta area. Hi, Miss Daniels.
Hi, how you guys doing? You okay?
We're doing great. We're doing just fine. We understand that you or someone you know may have gotten a DUI. How long ago was this?
This been ever since 2009. That was my last DUI. It's me, and so I have my license. I went to DUI classes and everything, but it's still sticking on my record. I'm trying to get me a good job, a top-level job, because back in the days I used to be a real bad alcohol and drug addict. So I went and did 6 years at Hope House of completion of drugs and alcohol, and I haven't touched anything since 2009. It's like going on 13 years now since I haven't had a drink or anything and been running a straight line. So I'm trying to get everything on my record expunged off with these DUIs included. I went and got disposition letters and everything, but still I don't know how to go about getting all this expunged off my record.
Well, Ms. Daniels, first off, congratulations on your sobriety. It's awesome that you've gone so long with being on the straight and narrow path. As far as getting the DUI off your record, unless there was an agreement when you initially pled guilty to that offense, then that DUI unfortunately will stay on your criminal history as well as your driving history. Now, what you will see is that over time, it will count against you a little bit less. Technically, under the law, it wouldn't, but you'll receive some leniency usually if it's been a long time since the last time you've received a conviction for a misdemeanor offense. The main thing that you would want to do is explain to employers what you've done since 2009 so that you won't find yourself in that same situation if you're applying to jobs where they're holding that conviction against you, because DUIs are something that you cannot get expunged off your record in the state of Georgia. Now, if you initially pled guilty with the understanding that it would be amended to a reckless driving or some other offense that shouldn't count against you with the same severity as a DUI, then you might want to look at the transcript from that sentencing and make sure that the agreement that you agreed to with the prosecutor and your defense attorney is the exact same agreement that you received at sentencing.
And Sean, the other thing to back up what Tiana said that's so great is that she went through Hope House. As attorneys, do you all ever have conversations beyond the legal standpoint of what you can do to kind of help them?
Absolutely. Absolutely. We have a number of different cases that we're involved in, whether it be people that have severe alcohol issues or drug issues. We have people that we have, gotten with family members and been able to get them into programs that lasted up to 2 years. The Hope House is a great local place. It's primarily, I think, only for women, but there's a number of different places that we have that are no cost or low cost, and some that are very, very expensive that we can refer people to that really give them the counseling they need, that provide them with the coping mechanisms they need to really get over this substance abuse problem that's, it's really plaguing our country everywhere.
That's right. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Hale House is for men.
Correct.
And Hope House is for women, so that's wonderful assets for our community.